People, I'm back again with another video, another football shirt Friday. I know I may have not uploaded a few football shirt Fridays, and that's my bad. Just gonna get into this one quickly and show you one of my favorite shirts, I'd say of all time actually. I actually really like this shirt. People may not like it, I don't care, this is my opinion. Boom. So we've got LA Galaxy shirt. The reason I love it is obviously because of the I think this is called digi camo, so the camo type material that, as you can see, is all over the shirt. I really like the way the stripes go with the Herbalife and LA Galaxy and actually the Adidas logo. I also love the way the MLS badge and the LA Galaxy badge are the same way, let's say, the same sort of thing. The back is more of a plain blue, and then it says Galaxy. There's not much to be actually said about this shirt, apart from I really love the digicamo. I really love the way the shirt is. Now it gets down to the bit where I have to talk about outfits. I'd say blue jeans. I'd say I'd go for a darker blue jeans, white Air Force Ones, white trainers. You could also wear this with black jeans and again white trainers. Or if you want it to be a bit extra, blue jeans, blue trainers. I noticed I don't really always have much to say about football shirts when I review them, and that's perfectly fine. It's just I won't waste anyone's time talking a bit too much and just rambling on. So I think that's about it. There's only so much you can say about football shirts, and I am not one to waste my breath talking a lot and wasting everyone's time. Tell me if you like this, tell me if you would buy it, and I'll see you on the next football shirt Friday or whichever other video you watch. Take care.